I looked at the marketplace at what solutions are available to people in terms of what they could do about the situation of COVID and the pandemic as a whole, and started researching things. I looked into chemical fogging, which I found to be highly toxic and hazardous, with extensive ventilation times required to make the site safe once the treatment's applied. I then sort of moved on quite quickly through referrals from several staff at Cambridge University who are actually friends and associates of myself, and I started looking to the UVC germicidal technology that was available. I very quickly saw that there were very expensive and costly UVC germicidal robots that were being utilised to sterilise sites such as hospital theatres, airports, airplanes in particular. St Pancras train station invested £4.5 million on UVC germicidal robots to sanitise their train carriages. And this really made me take a look more closely at the technology. With my renewable energies and engineering background, I quickly formulated that the solutions were overly complex, not commercially viable due to the high costs and the situ of UVC within the marketplace being deemed as somewhat of a specialised area. I wanted really to make it more mainstream because, in essence, a cleaner taking a disinfectant and a cloth to every square centimetre of a room is a very difficult task, whereas simply setting up a light and switching it on for a 15-minute period to adequately disinfect to a log rate equal to that of the disinfection maximum capabilities seemed like the more logical answer. So I went to the task immediately of providing a solution that was both cost effective and easy to use for the more widespread market in UVC germicidal technology, basically resulting in the fact that a standard cleaner or traditional cleaning methods can approximately disinfect around 10% of the surface areas in a room, whereas quite effectively and with far less time involvement, you can disinfect 80 to 90% of a room depending on the amount of furniture and shadowing that could be caused in the room with the UVC light disinfection. So it instantly seemed like a more methodical and a more economically viable approach to the problem.